Hi guys, Akeno here. Ngayon po, let's explore Excel, how to create a reset button. Okay, so supposing these are the data and we want to clear the contents. To create a reset button, we are going to use command button. In the toolbar here, click the developer tab, then insert, then choose the command button. In case you don't see the developer tab, go to file, options, then customize ribbon. At the right side here, check the developer, then OK. Now we are able to insert the command button. Right click, go to properties, then let us rename the caption into reset. Turn the design mode off to make the reset button clickable. Otherwise, if you click the button, it will be selected. Double click to view the code. Now let us type worksheets, then the name of the sheet, which is activities here. So let's type activities. Dot range, then we're going to input the range. The range is from D until F, so D8 till F17, so that is D8 colon F17. Dot clear contents. So this is our command to clear the contents. The contents in this column should be now be cleared. Now the command was set to clear the contents. Let us copy the data first before we're going to clear these contents. Okay, let's try. Now, what if we also want to get rid of the value here? So to do that, we're going to add another set of range. Let's type comma and then another set of range. So G8 colon G17. So that's it. That should clear the contents in this column as well. So let's insert another data here. Let's try. Okay, it clears the contents. We can also set a default value, for example in this column. And to do that, we are going to add another command. Just copy and paste into another command line. Let's change the range, and the range is from I8 colon I17. Then we're going to change this clear contents into value equals, then let's set a default value. That will be yes. Yes is our default value. Okay, this should change the value here into yes. Now, now let us insert any data here in these columns. Let's try the function of this button. Yes, as you noticed, it changed the value in this column here into yes, and it clears the contents. Now if you wish to separate the commands into another button, just press Ctrl D. Now right click and change the caption into default. Now we have two buttons. Let's separate the command. In this button here, reset button, I'm just going to clear the contents. So let's just cut that command and transfer it into another button. Take note of the name of each button. For reset, the name is command button 1, and for the default, the name is command button 2. So command button 2, this is the command for default button, then command button 1 for reset button. Now let's paste the command for default value. That's it. We separated the commands. Now the commands here were assigned to its preferred button. So let's try. Let's input any data here. Okay. Well, I'm not be needing this one, so I'm going to delete it. So let's try the default button and the reset button. If I click the default, it changes the value into yes, and reset, it clears the contents. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.